Hello and welcome to Kanban video series together with Bee Agile Academy. And today, Arod and I will give you a quick overview on Kanban. So, Arod, what is Kanban? Is it just another fancy word in Agile?
That's a great question, Yana. Probably one of the most common question. To answer to this question, I'd like to go back and define what Kanban means, just the terminology of Kanban. So Kanban in Japanese means signal. The signal that says we have capacity and we're ready to start a new work, or the signal that says we don't have any capacity to start a new work and we overload it, for example. But for this episode, we focus on Kanban method. So Kanban method, it's a method that help us to manage any kind of work, but the focus will be on knowledge work, including software development. And knowledge work, it's a type of work with lots of uncertainty, less predictability, and Kanban can help us to manage this type of work better.
And how Kanban help you to manage this workload better?
So Kanban has a set of principles and practices that help us to manage this kind of work better by visualizing the work and workflow. And workflow means how work flow through the system from beginning to the end. Visualizing how much work we committed to work, visualizing the bottlenecks and also dependency between work and that kind of thing. The goal of Kanban method is to create a Kanban system that wants to balance between demand, which is basically what comes from the customer to the service delivery team, and the capability of the service delivery team, which basically means how much work they can deliver to the customer. So we want to balance these two.
Based on that, who can benefit from Kanban? Is it mostly for project managers?
Yeah, so different people can get different benefit from Kanban. People who work in team level normally they realize that they relieve from overloading. They can focus more and they can produce better quality product. Middle management, project management, they have better visibility on the progress of the project. They have better visibility on who is doing what, who is, for example, overloaded and who doesn't have enough work to do, and they can protect the team and they can balance the work between team and share the knowledge between different team member. And also as a senior management, they can make better promises because they have better predictability in the system, and they can promise better to the customer, and they can make those promises which ends up with higher customer satisfaction and build a trust between their company and their customers.
Makes sense. I guess now everyone had a bit of a better understanding what is actually Kanban. And in the next videos, we'll talk about how actually set up Kanban board and start using it. Thank you, Orad, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Thanks.